Alright, Mr. Caesar, this is our Lazy Guys Distillery. We're just downtown. From downtown Kennesaw. Gonna be in the back of this house. That's where we're gonna be working. We got a channel drain, an 8-inch pipe, 2 catch basins, saw cut asphalt, saw cut walkway. Here's our front of our building here. That's where he's got his steel. We're going to be removing these little concrete sections. We're going to have a cast in place channel drain starting from here and extending it 2 feet past the post, and then we're going to trench all this out with the machine. We've got a catch basin going in at this downspout. Continue trenching. Catch basin right here will connect this downspout, and then we're going to need to remove this slab of concrete, and then it's going to go over the other side, discharge on this bank, and then of course there's a railroad track that's here. I want to make sure that we don't disturb as little of this bank as possible. Don't want to cut any shrubbery, bushes, or trees. We want to keep it subdued. Don't want the railroad giving us a hard time about it. But this will be we'll be discharging in there. I want to hand dig that little bit and try to keep the soil from rolling down the hill where it's visible. We're going to pour this section of back. We're going to need a dowel pin, and I'll show you that. We're going to drill holes once when we saw cut, remove, and we're ready to pour back. We're going to drill holes in the center of the concrete and insert some 1/2-inch dowels or rebar in the side of that, because he's got his forklift that he runs through this. So this is going to be the first section that we're going to do. First thing is saw cut, get this pipe, get this basin put in, cleaned up, and poured back. That's our emergency, to get that done as top priority, and then we can finish the rest of the job. I want to make sure that as we're excavating that we get rid of a lot of this soil. So half of this soil needs to come out of here so that once when we're done backfilling, that we're going to have our typical 2 or 3 inches of concrete showing around the perimeter. As you can see, there's a little bit showing right there, but I want that the whole way. We can keep the gravel and use it and put that back. I want to be a little bit 2 or 3 inches below our slab. We're going to slope everything away. Includes this mound here. We're going to get rid of that so that we have a nice this can't run this way. It's got to be pitched back and back up. So we're gonna we may extend the channel drain to this corner post. I'm not sure yet, but we want to do that back first, and we'll get some elevations for that, get that set up so you'll know how deep that we got to put it. There's about 8 inches of fall from the top of asphalt to the back soil back there, but we're going to need more fall than that. So that's pretty much our project here. Channel, 8-inch pipe, 2 catch basins, and a sidewalk repair.